Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use OX Alpha for free for unlimited use using open code. As you can see, it's works fine. You can use it as for coding and other things. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to Google. Go to the Node.js website and download from here. If you have Windows, if you have Mac or Linux, choose as you want from here, download. After downloading Node.js, go here and download use this command npm install opencode-ai. That is to download the latest version of opencode. How to do that? After downloading and installing Node.js, copying this one, search for command code, open it, and copy this command and hit enter, and the installation of opencode is begun. Hit opencode. Okay, as you can see, it's works. Now, how to use the OX Alpha with slash search for modules right here and search for OX Alpha. Okay, this is the way to use OX Alpha for free for unlimited. Okay, click here. Choose what you want, high, max, allow, default. Tell me what you should do. For let's say high for default, right? Okay, so as you can see, it started working. This is how to use OX Alpha free for unlimited use. Okay, thank you guys for watching this squad for this tutorial.